Hello everyone, welcome to Mohammad Rais Official. Today I am going to discuss about badminton game. This game is a indoor and here we will discuss regarding badminton. First we will discuss about overview and the history, then safety of the badminton, then equipments, techniques and how to score in badminton, then serving and rules, what are the general rules, and then what are the fall in badminton game, and in the last we will discuss about what are the strategy of the game. So let's begin. So here are the overview and the history of the badminton. Badminton is a racket sports that is played on a court divided by a net by 5 feet high. The game is played with a shuttlecock that is called badai. Can be played as singles or doubles. The object of the game is to hit the shuttlecock over the net so that eventually that opponent is unable to return the shot. Badminton originated in India in the mid 18th centuries. Its popularity increased when English army offers stands in India transported the game to England. In England, it was called badminton. Badminton. This is a place that is situated in England, and because of that place name, the name of the game is originated. That is badminton. Now it is called as badminton. Eventually it spread to the United States. Okay, so these are the overview and the history of badminton game. Now what are the safety of badminton game? First point is make sure to always have a firm grip on the racket. Be careful not to hit your partner with the racket if you are playing in doubles. Okay, if you are playing in single, then it is good, you can hit anywhere, but if you are playing in a double, then be careful. Okay, third point is stay on your own court. Stop playing if other enters your court. If your bird goes into another court, wait until their play stops. Be careful and aware of your surrounding like poles, walls, etc. The rackets are not toys, so no falling around. Now what are the equipments of badminton game? First, rackets are uh, fragile. Avoid hitting the floor, walls, post, nets and other peoples. Handle the shuttlecocks carefully and only by their rubber grips. If birds get stuck in the net, remove them carefully so that they don't tear. If your assigned racket is damaged, report it to your teacher at the beginning of class. If you don't, you are held responsible for the damage and will be fined. Mostly we played in a school as well as in college or university level. So there the administration provide us sports equipments. Many there are many games and sports. If anything goes wrong, if your equipments get tear or damage, then first of all we have to inform our teacher or coach. This is our responsible. Okay, so coaches and the trainer, they give well facility for our performance. Okay, now make sure to return your racket to its numbered spot and bring all the badais back to the teacher. So these are the equipments that we mostly use in badminton, that are the rackets, uh, shuttlecock. Now so you can see this is the racket and this is the shuttlecocks. Now, what are the techniques that we used in a badminton game? First of all, the serve. Serve divided in two parts, that is long and short. We mostly do long serve and the short serve. Then forehand. For right hand players, a stroke hit when the shuttle is on the right side of the body. For left-handed players, a stroke hit when the shuttle is on the left side of the body. Now, third technique is round the head. An overhead stroke played on the left or backhand side of the body. Then smash, a hard hit overhand stroke with a fast downward path. It is a main attacking stroke. This is a one of the best technique of the game that we mostly use to drop the shuttle in opponent court, so we get the points, and then in the end we won against the opponent. Now the techniques, that is a drive, a powerfully hit forehand or backhand stroke which just clears the top of the net. Difficult to return due to the shuttle straight lines trajectory. And now the clear, a stroke which sent the shuttle high over the opponent's head and drops near the backcourt boundary line. It may be hit with an overhand or underhand stroke. Can be used as offensive or defensive play. Now, a drop shot. The shuttle is struck over the net, so it drops very close to the net. This is a drop shot we mostly do. We just touch the shuttlecock, and that drop near the near the net of the opponent court, and we get the points. Now, so you can see this in this picture. This is a example, or this is a picture of a drop shot. Now, how we score in badminton? The first point is the game is played up to 21 points, and 21 points is the last point. If the opponent is if opponent point is more very less in number, then we won up to 21 points. Points are scored only by the serving side. A point is rewarded to the serving side whenever the other side commits a fault. Okay, if the opponent player are unable to return to my court or his or her opponent court, that's commit a fault, and that's commit a fault converted into a points to the opponent player. If I am playing and I hit a shuttle in the opponent court, if he or she unable to return to my court, then I got a points. So if a fault is committed by the serving side, the server does not score a point and lose the serve. Okay, so you can see in this picture here, if the one player is scoring and the another is losing. Now in single there are 21 points in a single game. When the score is 20-20, the winner is the player with a 2-point advantage. If both the player reached on 21 points, then they got advantage of 2 points. If one player continue achieve 2 points in a row, then he or she won the match. If the score goes up to 29 and 29, the winner is the first to reach 30. Okay. Now how we serve in a badminton, that is called the serving. Now I am talking, we will discuss first singles serving. A player can only score while serving. Each time they score a point, they switch serving codes. Whenever a player's score is 0 or an even number, they serve from the right side serving code. Okay, if a player is having a 0 points or a even, they will start from the right side of the service code. When the server score is an odd number, they serve from the left side service code. So these are the serving rules of singles. Okay, you can see in this picture how we serve. Okay, now what are the serving rules? So first point is the server must keep both feet within the service code during the serve, because one side of the badminton court is divided into two parts, and we start serving for either right side or a left side. So we must keep both feet within the service court during the serve. The serve must be underhand, and the shuttle must be contacted below the waist. The shuttle must be hit in front of the body. The server may not serve until the receiver is ready. We will start your service when your opponent player is in a ready position. During a serve, the partner of the server and receiver may stand anywhere as long as they don't obstruct the opponent's view. Okay, the next point is serve that touches the net and goes into the proper service area is legal. Okay, if the server missed the shuttle entirely on the serve, it is not a fault and they can serve again. If any part of the racket touch the shuttle, it is considered a serve and is a fault. Okay, the server should announce the score before each serve. If a single player is playing a double team, the single player is allowed 2 terms of service. Now, what are the general rules of badminton game? First point is winners of the first game must serve first in the next game. Teams change sides after each game. Any shuttle landing on the lines are in. During a rally, if the shuttle touches the net and goes over it is good. It means we start the game by doing service, but when opponent hit once, then got in my side, then I hit, this is the called the rally. The continuity of the hitting shuttlecock is a rally. Okay, so you can see this is the net and this is the pole and this is a shuttle. We hit the shuttle, then it goes to the opponent court, then opponent hit the shuttle, it comes in my court, and that is during a rally. If the shuttle touches the net and goes over it, it is a good. It means it is converted. If opponent is unable to return that hit, then it converted into a points. Now, what are the fall, or you can say falls? Overhanded service, anytime the server contacts the shuttle higher than their waist. If any part of the head of the racket is higher than the server hand holding the racket. During the serve, the shuttle lands outside the correct service court. If the server or receiver feet are not in the correct service court as the shuttle is served, if the player touches the net with their racket or body, this is a fall. If the shuttle hits any obstruction such as the ceiling, wall, backboard, etc. So this is also converted into a fall. Fails to go over the net, is hit by the other team before it crosses the net, is not distinctively hit but held momentarily on the racket, is hit more than once in succession by a team, hits any part of the player's body. These are the fall of the badminton game. If the racket touched by the body of any parts, or if you hit the shuttlecock more than one times, so these all hit, you can say all these stroke converted into a fall. So you can see in this image, you can see if you touch the net by your racket or by your body, or if you hit the shuttle more than one, then that is a fall. Now this is the last points, that the strategy. What are the strategy of the badminton game? Put your opponent on the defensive, hit the bird, that is the shuttlecock, so that your opponent only possible return is an upward direction. You can hit that bird or shuttlecock in that situation that your opponent give you in a easy way, so you can hit again as a smash, or you can drop shot near the net, so that you can get the points. Hit the shuttle with an overhand stroke whenever possible. If you got a chance to hit the shuttle uh, with an overhand, and then it is possible to got use the smash if possible, because in badminton game, smash is the one of the key techniques that the mostly players use to convert the stroke into a points. Play to your opponent's weakness. When we play, we find the weakness of the opponent player, and we hit the stroke, play the stroke in that position, in that area where opponent is unable to return that shuttlecock. So play the weakness of the opponent area. Use a variety of shots and keep your opponent moving. If you are hit the shots uh, in different area, then your opponent will move here and there, and then you will get a chance to drop the shuttlecock. If the area is blank, if then your opponent unable to reach that area, then the shuttle will be dropped easily. Recover your own court position quickly, because after changing the position, one thing is very important, that we should keep ourselves active, and we should keep ourselves in a good position, so that opponent stroke we can easily return. Otherwise we will lose the points, then the opponent will chase us. So we should keep us on a correct position, and we should take our position in a quick movement. So these are the all points regarding the badminton game. I hope you all get the points. Thank you for listening me, and please subscribe my channel for more update. Thank you.